let clarify this akong nga no ni ang gitudlo ni Jesus Christ no bahin atong mga tao nga makaminyo o dili makaminyo. Okay, so na-teach si Jesus Christ mismo ang nagsulti ani sa iyang dito sa iyang mga apostles. No makita natin ni diri mga igsoon sa Matthew 19 verse 11 hangtod sa verse 12. Matthew 19 verse 11 to 12. Ingon siya diri, Jesus answered, "This teaching does not apply to everyone, but only to those to whom God has given it. For there are different reasons why men cannot marry. Some because they were born that way, others because men made them that way, and others do not marry for the sake of the kingdom of heaven. Let him who can accept this teaching